ng mga Taurus natin. No, meron dito na makaka-recover ka, of course, and then with the Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords, no, there is a new beginning for you, no, kung ano man ito, right, no. Maybe may mga bagong opportunities for some of you, no. Ang nakikita ko rito after the heartache, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito for some of you, no. Medyo maganda tong nakuha natin tong energy na to kung sino man to sa inyo, no. There is a new beginning for you, new start, no? Kung sino man sa inyo yung nawalan ng loved ones, no? O sino man, right? No? So, yun nga, nakikita ko may new beginning, may new ideas din for you na ipupursu mo, no? Mga Taurus natin, yun ang nakikita ko dito, no? So, again, this is a different energy, no? Kung sino man sa inyo, right? No? So, ayun yung nakakuha natin dito, no? So, yeah. Kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, Taurus. Tingnan pa natin. Current situation for Taurus. So, may nakuha tayong energies dito. Mga Taurus natin. Two different energies. No? But then, overall is home. No? So, within family talaga, no? May mga issues, may nag-pass away for some of you. Tingnan pa natin. So, you have this 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So, may 999 na kayo, no? 999 for some of you, Taurus. Angel number 999. Knight, ito nakita ko na kanina to nung nag-shuffle ako, no? Knight of Pentacles. And then, King of Pentacles, no? So, I think, no, for some of you, may mga ipupursu kayo, no, mga Taurus natin, no? May mga ipupursu kayo na opportunities na or something may kinalaman financially, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Medyo nag-aalangan lang kayo for some of you na ipursu to, maybe business, no, for some of you parang medyo malaki kasi yung i-invest ninyo, no, parang nag-aalangan kayo with this, no. Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Or merong nag-o-offer ba sa inyo ng partnership, no? Ay hindi nakikita ko rito. Maybe you are lacking some financial